What's up, guys? Happy Valentine. Today I'm doing an epic video with my cousin, my little cousin. And we're gonna play Goatopia.
I'm 5 years old.
Yeah. We're at Time Trap.
So,
Yeah. Don't worry. This is like a boat or something. I'm wearing your dog mask. Where are you? You're right there. I'm up here. I'm jumping. Alright, let's go. Oh. This must be popular. Oh, then we need to do this parkour. Wait, no, we just need to go under here. How do we go in? Oh, there we go. Wait, where you want to go? Go ahead and go right here. Time machine. Booting up. Let's go to future. Whoa.
Can we even break stuff?
Nope. Whoa, Corden, watch out.
Oh,
There's lava. This is like Minecraft.
Yeah. Guys, they got iron swords and golden and gold swords and like swords like let me see it.
Corden, respawn.
This one?
Where are you? Okay, let's go to Angry Bird. No space, Corden. Corden knows how to spell Angry Bird, so. Corden, you don't need to spell it. Nope, there's nothing cool. Oh, what an Angry Bird space. Whoa, this is so awesome. Look. You can't spell Angry Bird? Spell it too slow. Space. Okay. Okay, so, Corden, you want to check something?
Yeah.
Wait, look. You like, no, Corden, looks like, zoom out. Look. You're in the red bird. That's the red bird, and this is the shooter.
How everyone do this? Angry Bird space.
Yeah, it's called Angry Bird Spice.
Oh, that's why I'm going on up the red bird. Oh, shit.
Okay, where did we go? Whoa. Oh, look at the shooter.
Yeah.
Oh, Corden, look at the Angry Bird.
We're on the Angry Bird.
Let's go on the Angry Bird, come on.
Oh, look at the eyes. Going up. I'm in the eye. We're in the eye. I'm at the top of the Angry Bird. Let's go right. Let's go on the slingshot.
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool. What the? I'm on the pig side. Oh. Jessica, I see the pigs.
Where?
Whoa,
that's the pig.
Yeah. What is this thing? The Angry Bird space is cool.
Yeah. Corden, go here.
Here?
What? You are in Team Angry Bird. Go to Team Angry Bird.
Team Angry Bird.
Go right here.
Where?
Oh, man, you are so stupid. Stand right here.
Oh, come on.
You're the worst.
Hurry.
Why can't you just stand? Gosh. Go in the door.
This?
This door! Gosh, I'm telling you the whole time. Open it! My team pigs, your team Angry Bird. We need to fight each other. Let's go. Hurry up!
Okay.
Why can't you just go in the game? You're the worst cousin ever. Next time I'm not making a video with you anymore.
Where are you?
I'm in the game! Guys, I'm sorry. My cousin is really stupid. He's really stupid, guys. He can't understand anything. Okay, guys. Thank you for the stupid video. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys next time. See you.